All right, I'm gonna pull this steering wheel off. Working on this 75 Firebird Espirt that has been LS swapped. Not with the LS1, unfortunately, but it is a 5.3 from a 99 Silverado 1500. All right, we're getting it prepped and ready so we can paint and finish it up. We're gonna put a Trans Am formula steering wheel on it. And the steering wheel's got to come off so that we can mask everything, do the dash, all that good stuff anyway. All right, so first thing, we're gonna just take this little clip here off. Okay, now we remove the nut. I'll try out my new clutch 3/8 ratchet I got at Northern Tool the other day. There we go. Screw that off. It is a 7/8. Now we have to get our trusty steering wheel puller here. I believe that's how that, no, that's not right. I've only done this once before on a 84 Caballero that I had, so you're gonna have to excuse me as this is a learning process for me as well. All right, let's see here. Trying to remember. Trying to remember how this works. And I'm having a little trouble remembering. No, wait, okay, I remember. Now I remember. So we're gonna take these. It's gonna go like that. We're gonna take these through there. We're going to screw them in. That looks to be maybe a 1/2 inch. Let's check and see. Let's see, 1/2, 9/16, see which one. 1/2 or 9/16, what's the winning combo? And like I thought, 1/2. Good deal. Take that off. Little ratchet here, tighten her up. There's also a half, so good deal. You don't have to tighten them up too much. Just enough to get them snug, if I remember correctly. Okay, now we're going to take it and tighten this her up. And it should pop right off unless I missed a step somewhere. But I don't believe that there's anything else holding this thing on there. We'll find out. Wait, is there a snap ring in there? Oh, I don't know. Let me get my little flashlight. That's something I need to know. If it is, I'm gonna have to get that out. Otherwise, I'm gonna have some problems. Come on now. I guess I should have did that before I put this on there. And yes, it is. Maybe not. I don't think so. I do not think there is. So let's just slowly do this and see if it starts coming. And there we go. It is coming off. Should be able to just voila, steering wheel removed. Nice and easy. How about that? Now